Okay, so it's almost 25 to 10. Let's go outside and we'll see what we can see. Coming through the trees at the moment. Five-power telephoto on the mobile phone camera. I've always wanted to catch a helicopter at night. That is not a bad one. There you go. Warbles on a lot to YouTube. And I wonder if the possum is still here. Or if it come inside and went looking for bread all by itself. Hello. How are you, darling? Are you guys okay? Yes, of course. Yes, yes, there you are. It's okay. Yeah, bread's coming. It's okay. Come on. Wait a bit. You there? You okay? You got it? Yep, yep. That's the boy. Woohoo! Come on, come on. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, there you go. It's a funny thing, but when I turn the outside light on and I go outside at night, yeah, the critters come and talk to me. Such is life. Helicopters and possums. Warbles on a lot to YouTube. You get that. Ciao. Hello. You want